Hi, my name's Andrew Walker, and I'm one of the investigation unit specialists here at Cellebrite. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smart Search, our online investigation tool. I want to talk about a particular scenario. Perhaps we're investigating Public Order Act offences. In cases of public disorder, it's not unusual for a lot of information to be shared by the public in the form of social media shares, images, names. So police quite often have a number of persons of interest or suspects, but they're left trying to find associates to build the case. Now, we can use Smart Search to gather information from social media, people databases, web mentions, call and messaging apps, but we can also use it to search individual images of perhaps people we are trying to identify, we know are associated to someone we already know, but we're trying to find who they are. So if I jump across to Smart Search, now you can see here is where all the case files would sit. Here's a case I've created under disorder inquiry, and we can assume that this is an individual we have already identified, Dan. Now, if we have another image of a person or an identifier, we can search that against what we already have to see if we can identify that person. So that will start running a search. Now the search has come back and we have an individual identified. We can see we have someone called Juan. They were detected in connections, and we now have an Instagram account that we can use to further our inquiry. We can tag that individual accordingly, and we can then export to share with other people who might be interested in the inquiry. So that's just one example of how Smart Search and Image Search can help provide new leads and generate further avenues of inquiry. Thanks for listening.